You're welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be talking about how to write our Roman numerals, how to convert Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic figure. So in the previous class, I explained that Roman numerals are represented with what? With alphabet and capital letters. That is, in Roman numerals, you represent the numbers with capital letters. If you look at your one is represented with capital letter I, your 2 is represented with capital letter I. Your 3 is represented with capital letter I. Your 4 is represented with capital letter IV. Your 5 is what? Capital letter V. Your 6 is capital letter VI. Your 7 up to 1000. You can see that everything is represented with capital letter. Now, if you are asked as a JSS1 student or as a student that how do you change a Roman numeral? How do you change from Roman numeral to Indo-Arabic figure? The Indo-Arabic figure is a normal figure that you are used to now. So we are going to do with some couple of questions in this class, and if you pay keen or close attention to what you are going to do in this class, you'll be able to do it on your own. Now, if you look at the first question, I'm having MDCLXXVI. Now, how do you convert these letters into your normal figure? The first thing that you start the workings, you start from your left hand side. You start what? You start your workings from the left hand side. Now, if you look at this now, I'm going to start from the left hand side. This is my M. What does M represent? M represents what? That's 1000. So M is what? 1000. 1000 here plus. Now, if you look at this now, what is this? DC. DC is what? DC is 600. That'll be 600. That's 600. Now, you can see that we're moving from the left towards the right. Now, the next one is LXX. What is LXX? That's what? That's 80. Oh no, 50, 60. That's 70 rather. It's 70. And VII is what? That's 8. Now you can see that we've interpreted it. We started from our left hand side. Our M is 1000. Our D is 500. DC is what? 600. Your L is 50. LX 60, LXX 70, then VII is 8. So the next is what you add it together. So that is 1678. That will be 8, 7, 6. So our final answer is what? 1678. So MDCLXXVII is 1678 in what? In Indo-Arabic figure. So we're going to use this example too. We're going to solve it together too. When you want to change your Roman figures into Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic figure, you start from the left hand side. You start changing it from the left hand side. You start your workings from the left hand side. I'm going to start now. The first letter here is what? Capital letter M, which stands for 1000. So that'll be 1000. And you can see that CD, you can't just pick C. CD, what is CD? CD is what? 400. That'll be 400. And what's your LXX? Your LXX is what? 70. While your high is 1. So LXX is what? 70. And your I is what? 1. The next thing is what you add it together. 1000 plus 400, that will be 1400. 1400 plus 7, that was 1470. 1470 plus 1 will be 1471. 1471. Now, let's move on to another example. Now, our third example. Let's assume that you have third example. We are having MDCCC XLIV. Now, if you want to what? Convert this into Indo-Arabic figure. You start your workings from the left hand side, and look at that. The first letter here is M. Our M is what? 1000. So our M is 1000. That will be 1000 plus what? This 3. D is 500. DC is 600. DCC is 700. DCCC is what? 800. That will be 800. The next one is your XL. What's XL? XL is what? 40. So that'll be plus 40. What's IV? IV is what? 4. So we are going to add it together. That is 100. 1000 rather. That is 1000 plus 800 plus 800 plus 40 plus 4. You add it together. That'll be 4, 4, 8, 1. So our final answer is what? 1844. 1844. What if you have this? This will be a fourth example. What if you have this? Let's say that we have this CC SC V high. We're still going to use the normal method. You start from what? You start the workings from the left hand side. You can see that we're having C. Your C is 100. But what is CC? CC is what? That will be 200. And the next two alphabet is what? XC. What is XC? X is what? 90. 90. And what is VII? Your VII is 8. So that will be 200 plus 90 plus 8. 200 plus 90 is what? 290. 290 plus 8, that will be 298. So our final answer is what? 298. Let's have the last example for today's class. The last example for today's class. If you have this, you have M C M L X X X I V. How do you solve it? Start your workings from the left hand side. What's the first alphabet there? The first alphabet there is M. What is M? Your M is what? Your M is 1000. Your M is 1000. That'll be 1000. What's CM? CM is what? 900. L 50, 60, 70, 80. LXXX is what? 80. What's IV? Your IV is what? 4. So what I'm going to do, we're going to add it together. That'll be 1000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 4. 1984. You add it together, that'll be 4, 8, 9, 1. So our final answer is 1984. So MCM LXXXIB is 1984. So we have come to the end of today's class. I would like to see your comments about today's class. So express your view. Make sure you write something in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe and put on the notification button. Thank you.